Today I'm going to decode Prosper's personal loans so you can be better informed about them. I want to make sure you understand how they work so you can decide whether you want to use them as a lender. Okay, here we are on Prosper's homepage. You can see that they have 3 different credit options: personal loans, credit cards, and home equity. In this walkthrough, we'll only look at their personal loans. They offer loans between $2,000 and $50,000. This link here that says I have an offer code only applies if you received a pre-approved offer from them in the mail. This isn't like a coupon code that you can find on the web. This is tied to an offer that they sent you via mail. But even if you did receive the pre-approved offer and don't click this link, you will get the same deal you would have. You can see that they promote the idea of getting your funds as soon as 1 business day. Let's jump down to the footnote and see what that says. Based on the completion of all necessary verification steps and approval, as well as your bank's transaction processing speed. That's pretty standard stuff. Okay, back to the top. It says no prepayment penalties. You need to know that out of the dozens of national lenders that I track, not a single one of them charges a prepayment penalty. So that's table stakes at this point. I want to highlight the idea that you can choose your monthly payment. All that really means is that you are choosing the amount you want to borrow, provided it's less than the total amount for which you are approved, and you are choosing your loan term. The longer your loan term, the lower your monthly payment, but the more you will pay in interest over the course of the loan. So you really want to pick the shortest loan term that you can afford. These questions are mostly there for search engine optimization reasons, but we can get some information out of them. Prosper will charge an origination fee, check payment fee, late fee, and insufficient funds fee. They charge that last one if they attempt to take money out of your account and you didn't have enough money. After digging around a bit, I learned that their origination fee is between 1% and 9.99%. Their check payment fee is either 5% or $5. Their late fee is $15 or 5%, and their insufficient funds fee is $15. An origination fee above 5% is getting a little high for my taste, but the other fees aren't particularly bad. I will say a lot of lenders don't charge some of these fees at all, though. Now we'll look at what it takes to qualify for one of their loans. If you struggle to get approved, they will allow you to include a co-applicant. A co-applicant will strengthen your application if they have a better credit history and steady employment. Remember, your co-applicant will be responsible for paying off your loan if you fail to. Also, late payments will show up on their credit report as well as yours. Here it says that you must have a credit score of 640 or higher to qualify. They won't just look at your credit score though, so you could be denied even if your credit score is higher than 640. Interestingly, this question addresses the credit score directly and says that you are unlikely to be approved if your credit score is less than 600. A little confusion there. Down in the footnote, we learn that their APRs range from 8.99% to 35.99%. This is also where we learn about that origination fee. The origination fee will be included in the APR. So the APR is the interest rate plus the origination fee in annualized terms. Another nice piece of information is that they say that the average APR on their loans is 24.79%. So if you have a strong credit profile, you should expect to get a lower rate than that. Even if they do offer you a rate that's below that, it doesn't mean that it is the best rate that you could get. You should always shop around. It's the only way to be sure you're getting the best deal that you can in your situation. At the Yukon project, we've tried to make shopping around easy. If you visit our lending marketplace page, you can apply directly to one of our featured lenders, including Prosper. Behind the scenes, we will check your rate with up to 40 other lenders. Our partners use a soft credit check, so applying won't hurt your credit score. We will show you all of your approved offers so you can pick the loan that's best for you. If you've ever used Prosper before, leave a comment below. Your experience could help someone else out. If you found this information helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us out, and we really appreciate it. Thanks for watching.